Hi everybody, I hope you enjoyed reading the prologue on Friday. Today we are going to read chapter 1 and you will read along with me on the separate YouTube link. But before we get started reading, let's preview some new vocabulary that you will find in chapter 1. Chapter 1 is titled As Free as a Bird. The first word that you may not know is the word principled. The word principled is acting in accordance with morality and showing recognition of right and wrong. Another word that you may see is reprimand. To reprimand is to express sharp disapproval or criticism of someone because of their behavior or actions. The next word is consoled. When you console someone, you comfort them at a time of grief or disappointment. Partake. To partake is to join in an activity. The next word is hospitality. Hospitality is the friendly and generous reception and entertainment of guests, visitors, or strangers. A veranda is a roofed platform along the outside of a house, level with the ground floor, just like you see here in this picture. The word confiding is willing to tell someone about a secret or private matter and trust them not to repeat it to others. This word is ruckus, making or constituting a disturbingly harsh and loud noise. You will also see the word henna in the chapter. Henna is a small flowering shrub, and the henna leaves are dried and turned into a fine powder, and then that powder can be used to dye hair or stain the skin temporarily, kind of like a temporary tattoo. And lastly, the word is melancholy. Melancholy is a feeling of sadness, typically with no obvious cause. All right. Now you're going to please click on the other link for today's lesson to read chapter 1 along with me. Have a great day.